Guys, according to Times of India, the quota benefits are not going to the neediest and the poorest of the people according to the Supreme Court. Now, this is the major, very contentious topic. So I'm not going to give my ideas. I'm just going to say what is given in the newspaper, what have come in the newspaper, so that I want to hear from you. What is your say on this? Supreme Court ruling favoring reservation within reservation for those classes within SC/ST have not been benefited continue to languish in line with the various orders. So that's the number one point they've raised, that some of the sections within SC/ST have come up, have got the advantages, but some of them have still not got the advantages, and they have to be looked at. Yeah, which is favoring the re-examination of the existing policy. So there might be re-examination between the existing policy. That's what they're hinting at. Supreme Court, the recent time of favored changes, all these things happened. In Supreme Court in April said that SC/ST OBCs for providing reservation are not sacrosanct and unalterable. So they have said that the things can change. Obviously, it might lead to some struggle. Some people may be making some people unhappy, but they can change. The benefit should be revised by the government by removing those who have become affluent. Yep, the reservation benefits are being availed by some of the communities over the last 70 years have become well off economically and socially. So these people should not get the benefit, and this is why the NC was introduced, non-creamy layer. So not everybody in OBC will get the benefit. Only OBC who have a non-creamy layer certificate where average salary is less than some particular amount, they only get the benefit. Yeah, it said that the benefits are not trickled down to the sections and dissatisfaction within the reserved category students, so which need to be addressed. So Supreme Court have urged the government is required to revise the list. Yeah, it can be done presently without disturbing the percentage of reservation, so that the benefit trickle down to the needy. So immediately they're not saying to change the whole system, change the percentage. Percentage remains same, but within percentage the benefit should be provided to the people who are actually needing all these things. This is what the report says. How you feel about the report, please do comment. Frankly speaking, I also believe that yes, change should be there, and this can be the major point in the education system if this can be done. National education policy is big, but if this change can be implemented, if things can change here, improve here, this will be the biggest news of the Modi government. How you feel about this, please do post.